friends, welcome to my channel and to my next video. Today we are going to make a lamb sandwich. So the ingredients are 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cheese, lamb and butter. The lamb, what you can do is take some lamb, put water and pressure cook it with some ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper. And then you can remove it and shred it and keep it on the bread, which I'll be showing in the video. First, we take one slice of bread, take some butter and just grease it. It's optional if you want to put the butter. After one side is done, take the other bread and grease it again. Second, take some lamb, shred it, and only on one slice of bread, spread it around. It's optional if you want to put lamb. Even you can make it vegetarian with some boiled potatoes. Even the boiled potatoes, you can add it with the lamb. It's your choice. If you want to put extra lamb, you can go ahead and put extra lamb. Third, we take half a slice of cheese, cut it into 2 and just overlap them on the piece of bread where the lamb is kept. Take the other bread and just press it gently. Don't press it that hard or else the bread will break. And before you keep it in the griller, what you do is just grease a little bit of butter over this, as the sandwich will not stick to the griller. Then you take this gently and you keep it over here and take a little bit more butter and grease it on the other bread. Now, you just close the griller and then keep it for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, we just check and this sandwich is done. Now slowly with a fork, and deplate it into a plate. So friends, that was the lamb sandwich. I hope you enjoy the video. Please, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button with the like button and turn on all post notifications to be notified for the next awesome cooking video. Till then, goodbye.